yesterday. No, I don't think you're here to stay. No, I don't think you're here to stay. So tell me what you want, tell me how you want it, tell me all the...
Hey guys, what's up? So I'm starting my vlog from Ikea. So we have come here for furniture shopping and I am trying to vlog this whole weekend. Today is Friday and tomorrow Saturday, then Sunday, and we have got a lot of plans. So I was thinking, why not vlog the whole weekend, because there's going to be a lot of fun. It's going to be a very exciting weekend. I hope you guys will enjoy this vlog. So yeah, let's just get started. How cute! यार इतना अच्छा डुबे कवर्स है. और इस टाइप का अपन लगा सकते हैं फ्रिज के वहाँ. We are finally going to buy this for our kitchen. It's so cute, especially for the pantry and also few crockeries and glasses. It's really good and it costs around £50. So yeah, it's even cost effective. He wants to buy this to knead the flour. And also nice. It's really nice. It's made of bamboo.
Bamboo, yeah.
Yeah. This is so cute. Such a tiny pink room. Hey guys, what's up? So it's a very beautiful Saturday morning and we have come out for a morning run, and also we are going to buy some groceries for tomorrow's picnic. Yes, we are going to have a picnic at Hyde Park, and it's going to be the first time and I'm going to be at Hyde Park. I wanted to explore that area, and today, that is Saturday, we have a lot of plans. This evening we are going for a ball event. So Sid and I got invited, and this was last minute and I have no idea what I'm going to wear. And yeah, it's going to be a lot of fun. I need to edit videos, I need to do a lot of things, and also yesterday we went to Ikea, as you guys have already seen. So I also am going to do a haul for you guys. So yeah, stay tuned and I hope you guys will enjoy this day with me.
Baby, am I in your way? Cause you walked out so fast yesterday. No, I don't think you're here to stay. No, I don't think you're here to stay. So tell me what you want, tell me how you want it, tell me all the reasons that you're running away. I don't think you're here to stay. No, I don't think you're here to stay. No, no, no. I just wanna be with you, I just wanna be with you, yeah.
So this is all that we got from yesterday's Ikea shopping. So most of the things are going to be delivered at home. Starting from pillows, we got these memory foam 2 pillows. It was around £12 each. You can also buy, you know, £5-6 each pillows, but they weren't that good, so we got this one. The lantern, which cost around 1.75, and here's this baking container which we got if we want to bake anything. So this was around £2, I guess. And this is a mat which we really like to, you know, put in the cabinets. It doesn't let anything fall off, so yeah, I really like this one. And then we also got these champagne glasses. It's beautiful pink in color and it's very beautiful. It is a set of 2. And then we got this measuring container. This is a very pretty pink plate. We got a set of 2, and the basic tools for the kitchen, like for the paper towel. And I really like this one. This was around £6, and you get 6 containers for the, you know, organizing the drawers. So it looks like you can easily place this in the drawer and it looks a little bit organized. And we also got these beautiful flamingo glasses. It's so pretty. Yeah, that's it. Hey guys, so I am ready for the ball event. It's a little bit informal with DJ night and all those stuff. So I just wore an LBD with just my hoop earrings, and yeah, that's it. You know, I'm not really dressed up that much, but yeah, I'm quite excited for the event because it's going to be the first event that me and Sid are going to attend together here in London. So obviously that makes me quite excited. So this is what I'm wearing.
I just wanna be with you. I just wanna be with you. Yeah. I just wanna be with you. Yeah, I just wanna be with you. I just wanna be with you.
Sadly, I have to leave my vlog camera at home because videography is restricted. So yeah, see you tomorrow.
I don't really give a damn what they say. And now you know it. Hey, little lady said you feel the same, but I don't believe a word.
Guys, what's up? So it's very windy today. It's a very beautiful Sunday morning and we are off to Hyde Park for picnic. And yesterday night we enjoyed a lot. We got back home quite late and we took a little bit of pictures and videos from the phone because that was allowed, and I'm going to include it right here. Yes, we did enjoy a lot, and today, like I said, all the picnic arrangements has been done and it's in this bag. I've also taken a tripod and here's it. Let's go.
What they say. And now you know.
So we are at Green Park station and from here I guess it's just 5 or 10 minutes of walking till we reach Hyde Park.
You know it. I feel like you're lying, trying to be real, but you seem so fake. I'm so over trying to move on, but you're in my way. I'm so over trying to move on, but you're in my way. I just wanna be with you. I just wanna be with you. Yeah.
We are trying to find a spot for us for the picnic, and this park is so beautiful. Like there's a lake and you know the boating is going on, people are roller skating, some people are cycling, some are playing games, others are enjoying their family time. It's so lovely here. Like I'm so happy with this place and being here. It's very beautiful. So we have hunted down that tree and we will have a picnic there. Yes.
Hey, little lady said you feel the same, but I don't believe a word you say, 'cause I don't think you're here to stay. No, I don't think you're here to stay. So tell me what you want, tell me how you want it, tell me all the reasons that you're running away. I don't think you're here to stay.
Hello.
I don't think you're here to stay, no. I just wanna be with you. I just wanna be with you, yeah. I just wanna be with you, yeah. I just wanna be with you. I just wanna be with you. I just wanna be with you, yeah.
Hey guys, so finally the picnic is over. We actually enjoyed a lot here. It's very peaceful here. If you're coming to London, make sure that you visit Hyde Park and have a picnic here. It's so peaceful. Like you can meditate, read books, you can listen to music. That's all we did. You need to experience it, and so whenever you come here, make sure that you visit Hyde Park.
I just wanna be with you, yeah. I just wanna be with you. I just wanna dance all night, forget my problems, I might go insane. I don't really give a damn what they say. And now you know it. I feel like you're lying, trying to be real, but you seem so fake.
So finally we are back home. I hope you guys enjoyed these 3 days with me. A lot of you guys wanted a longer vlog, so yeah, this vlog is going to be a little bit longer than my usual vlogs. Also, the Hyde Park area is really vast. There's Kensington Palace and a lot more. We need to explore all of that, but for now our sole purpose was just a picnic, and yeah, we just enjoyed ourselves a lot. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. Bye for now.
Hey, little lady, said you feel the same, but I don't believe a word you say, 'cause I don't think you're here to